Hi friends, it's Dana from Nellie DC Crochet. Well, it's an exciting day. I just got some yummy yarn from across the sea, and I thought I would show it to you and that we could unbox it together and see what it's like, see how it feels. So stay tuned. So this yarn is from Hobeness yarn. And it is the YarnArt Jeans, and I've been looking at it for a long time because Elise Rose, that I follow on YouTube, talks about it a lot and says it's one of her favorite yarns for amigurumi. Well, since I'm a fairly new amigurumi crocheter, I thought I would try out a yarn suggested by one of the best. So we're going to unbox it together and see what it's all about. See if it's good as they say it is. So let's see if we can get into it. I don't want to cut any of the goodness. Boy, they really taped it up. This is, I think it's from Turkey. But I was able to get a good deal and not pay very much on shipping. So I was excited about that. Man. Ooh. Wow. Something else. Kind of feels like Christmas. Okay. Ah, here we go. Ooh, it is delicious. Take a look. Doesn't that look delicious? So let's take it all out and see what it's like. Whoa! Ooh, that's fun. Take a look. Ignore my piano teaching chair's rips. I got a ton because I am going to make some fun. I'm going to make Peter Rabbit and a fox for one of my grandsons. All kinds of fun things. I can't wait. Let's see. What do we have here? All these delicious colors. Lots of colors. Ooh, they feel so soft. Okay, after I get them all out, we will go over them. I'm not going to list every one of them one by one, but I will do a sample stitch. Ooh, I think I'll take this. Aqua is one of my favorite colors. So let's talk about it. Okay, this is the YarnArt Jeans, and it's very, very soft. And what I like right off the bat is that it is not fuzzy, because sometimes with fuzzy yarn it's hard to see a good stitch definition when you're doing amigurumi, and especially when you're new. This is a number 2 fine weight. It is part cotton. Let's see, what is it? It is 45% acrylic and 55% cotton. That sounds very yummy, and it definitely feels like it has some cotton in it. And it suggests, I guess if you're not doing amigurumi, it suggests a 3.5 millimeter hook. That would be an E. I think I got my hooks here. These are my favorite clovers. Yep, 3.5 is an E. And now, if you do amigurumi, they say you're supposed to go down 1 or 2 hook sizes. So I'm going to try it both ways. All right, so first we will try with the hook size that they recommend. I thought it might be kind of fun to do it over the keyboard here of my piano and just see how that works. So first of all, I'm using the 3.5 millimeter hook, which is an E, and I'm going to make several chains and see how this is going to be great. Going to be so good for amigurumi. I can tell already because it definitely does not split. It just slides beautifully. Let's see. Let's do a few single crochets. So here is my little swatch using the 3.5. I wonder what other people use this yarn for besides amigurumi. I think I'll look that up and put it in the descriptions. But I love this. It's so soft and it doesn't split at all. It's very easy to crochet with. Okay, now I'm going to try with the recommended hook size for amigurumi. This time I'm going down to a C, which is a 2.75. And let's see how it works for tighter stitches. I'm liking it so far. I don't always like to make tight stitches, but they say with amigurumi it's really important to do tighter stitches using a smaller hook size because you don't want the stuffing to show through. You don't want your stitches to have big gaps. Let's turn it over. It is easy to use, definitely easy. It does not split like a lot of acrylic yarns do. And it does have a little bit of give, more than a 100% cotton. So I really think I'm going to like this yarn. All right, so there is my little swatch with a 2.75 millimeter C hook. And I'm testing it for amigurumi, and I think I'm going to really like it. Let me know in the comments, have you used this yarn? YarnArt Jeans. But let's look at some more. So this is an orange, like a burnt orange. I think this will be perfect for the box that I'm going to do. And I think he'll be very nice, very nice. I'll put a picture in the video. I got 2 of them because I didn't know how much it was going to take. And here is a pretty wine color. Isn't that pretty? So here is the label. And then we've got brown, dark green. I thought that's going to be nice for his scarf. And such pretty colors. Yellow, I got pale yellow. Anyway, lots of lovely colors. But tell me, have you used this YarnArt Jeans before? What did you make with it? Did you make amigurumi animals or things? Did you make a garment? Did you make a blanket, a scarf? What have you made with this yarn and what did you think of it? Did you like it? And where did you get it? That's another question I have. All right, well, I enjoyed showing you and unboxing the YarnArt Jeans with you, and I'll see you on another video. I'm Dana with Nellie DC Crochet. Bye-bye.